In our exploration of the ether, we uncovered a profound concept, an invisible force that connects everything in the universe. But there's more. As science continues to peer deeper into the fabric of reality, it reveals an energy field that may be the very key to understanding the infinite potential of the universe: zero-point energy. Zero-point energy is often described as the energy of the quantum vacuum. But what does this mean? At its core, it's the idea that even in what we think of as empty space, where no matter exists, there's still a seething, fluctuating energy. This field is present everywhere, at all times, and it's the result of quantum fluctuations in the vacuum of space. This energy is present even at absolute zero, the temperature at which molecular motion theoretically stops. In fact, quantum physics suggests that this zero-point energy isn't just a theoretical concept. It's the baseline of all energy, the starting point of creation itself. It's as if the universe is constantly in motion, vibrating with the raw potential of energy. Interestingly, this idea of infinite free energy closely mirrors the vision Nikola Tesla had for wireless power transmission through the ether. Tesla, in his era, was already hinting at an energy source that transcended physical wires, something that could potentially harness this invisible, all-pervasive force. Tesla was often ahead of his time, proposing that there was a vast, untapped energy field connecting all matter. He spoke of the ether as the medium through which energy could flow freely. Could the zero-point field be the very ether Tesla envisioned? Modern science seems to be pointing toward the same conclusion. But what does zero-point energy mean beyond its physical applications? Is it possible that this field, this fundamental energy, holds more than just the potential to power machines? Could it also be the key to understanding consciousness, life, and even the nature of existence itself? In spiritual traditions across the world, there's a common thread, a belief that there's a universal life force that connects all things. From the concept of qi in Chinese medicine, to prana in Indian traditions, to the Holy Spirit in Christian mysticism, this life force is thought to be the energy that sustains and flows through every living being. Could this universal energy be tied to the same field that science now calls zero-point energy? Many spiritual traditions speak of a hidden force that connects all matter. In quantum physics, we see evidence of a similar concept. The zero-point energy field is not merely a passive backdrop. It is a dynamic, living energy that permeates everything, linking consciousness with matter, time with space, and the physical with the metaphysical. Spiritual seekers have long understood that everything is interconnected, that there's a web of energy binding all of existence. What if this web is the zero-point energy field? What if the fluctuations in this field are the very energies that our minds, bodies, and spirits interact with when we meditate, heal, or even create? In recent years, scientists have been developing technologies to detect and potentially harness zero-point energy. The goal is to access this seemingly infinite source of power, not only to fuel our machines, but perhaps to unlock the true potential of human consciousness. Some researchers believe that understanding this energy could lead to breakthroughs in health, mental clarity, and even the evolution of human consciousness itself. Could science and spirituality be converging in a profound way? As we continue to explore the quantum field, it becomes more apparent that the ancient wisdom of interconnectedness may be scientifically verifiable. The zero-point energy field is not just a place to draw power from. It may be the very fabric of life, consciousness, and existence. The universe, it seems, is alive with infinite potential, and we may be just beginning to tap into that boundless energy. By understanding zero-point energy, we may uncover not just a new way to power our world, but a new way to connect with the universe itself, unlocking the limitless potential of energy, consciousness, and the divine force that links us all.